Good morning children. So we are discussing reproduction, the lesson 1 in the EVS. So in the reproduction we are discussing about the reproduction by laying the eggs. So in the recently we completed how the butterflies, what is the life cycle of the butterfly, how the butterfly lay the eggs, and what is the life cycle of the butterfly. This we completed in the previous class, isn't it? So now today birds also, they also do the reproduction by laying the eggs. Okay children, so here example of the bird, I am taking here example about the hen. The same process, the same life cycle will be continued by other birds also. Okay, so it means the egg, for example here hens, how the hens will be do the reproduction by laying the eggs. And these eggs, after hatching from the egg, the small chicks will be come out from the eggs children. Okay, so here inside the egg you can see egg is having 3 layers, isn't it? Egg is having 3 layers. So that the top layer will be called as it will be in a very thin layer. The white shell is that white shell will be called one layer, very delicate layer. See, for example, if you touch like this with small thing, anything, immediately it will be break. Yes or no? So that small thing, and after that breaking of the egg will be have white jelly liquid, isn't it? So the white gel is one more layer, and inside the white gel we can able to see the yellow color yolk. Yes or no? So like that 3 different layers are there in the egg. So from the yellow that yolk is so inside the yolk the reproduction will be done, and small chicks will be come out by breaking the egg, and the chicks will be grown up like hen, and again the hens will be lay the eggs, and from the eggs after hatching the egg the small chicks will be come out, and again it will become the big hen. Same like that only birds also lay the eggs. From the birds and from these eggs the small birds will be come out, and these small birds after few months these small birds will become the big birds. Again the big birds will be lay the eggs. So like this process, laying of the eggs, and the eggs will be hatched, and from the eggs the small chicks will be come out, and these small chicks after few months it will be grow like a big hen or big birds. So this is the life cycle of the bird children. So it means birds also will reproduce by laying the eggs. Now coming to the one more example regarding the frog. So the frogs also by laying the eggs they'll be do their reproduction. They'll increase their population. See, for example, the frog will be called as an amphibian. What is the meaning of amphibians? Means the animals which will be live on land and in water. Okay, live on land and in water. Those type of living things will be called amphibians. See, for example, from the water, if you take out one fish, or from the water, if you take out the fish and kept outside of the water, within few seconds the fish will be die, because on the earth the fish cannot be alive, isn't it? But here some of the living things are there which can be live on earth as well as in the water also. So that kind of animals or that kind of living things will be called as amphibians. See, for example, crocodile. Crocodile, it will be live in the water and as well as it will be live on the earth also, isn't it? So turtles, like this, the animals, the living beings which will be live on water, in the water and the earth, these kind of living things will be called as an amphibian. So frog is an amphibian, and the frog will lay so many eggs children, because out of these hundreds of the eggs only few will be reproduced. Okay, after laying the eggs after hatching, see here like fish it will be looking the small fishes, isn't it? But these are not small fishes children. These will be called as tadpoles. Okay, tadpole. So this tadpole, and this is the second stage. First stage will be egg, and tadpole will be the second stage. From the tadpoles, slowly the tadpoles will be the legs will be grown from the tadpole, and this after coming the legs, and slowly what will happen? This tail is there, no? The tail. That long tail will be appear, and slowly baby frog will be grown, and this baby frog will be have legs and hands, and the tail will be have, and after few months this tail will be goes inside of the body, and complete adult frog will be grown. Okay, and this adult frog again will be lay eggs, and the eggs will become like tadpoles, and these tadpoles will become like baby frog, and again the baby frog will become adult frog. So this process will be continued. So by laying the eggs, the frogs also reproduce. So not only the frogs, animals, other animals like crocodiles, snakes, and turtles. So these all will be lay the eggs, and from the eggs only they'll start the reproduction. Okay children, so this is the topic related to the reproduction by laying eggs. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss about reproduction by giving birth. The second reproduction. Two reproduction systems we discuss now. First one will be the reproduction by laying eggs. In that I explain you in part 1 regarding the butterfly. Now in the part 2 I explain about the birds and the frogs. And part 3 we'll discuss about the, how the reproduction will be done by giving the birth, and the conclusion of the lesson. Okay children?